Hello everyone, today we talk about chocolate, everything about chocolate. Cocoa beans and the cocoa nips and cocoa mass and cocoa butter. So everything about we start cocoa beans. Cocoa beans is kind of bulb cacao fruit. Then we take out the bulb, we fermented for 1 week. The bulb is white and then convert to the brown. As you see, this is the brown after fermented. It takes maybe 1 week, 10 days. They cover the cocoa beans with plantain or banana leaves for 1 week, 10 days, then fermented, transfer from white to brown. Here we go. They took these beans and they leave it to dry under the sun. It takes almost 1 week or 2 weeks, depending about the weather. When they took it, they roasted. They have husk shell, and then we cut it small. It will be cocoa nibs. So cocoa nibs is roasted cacao bean without husk and grinded. The other solution, this take cocoa nibs, the small as you see, and then they compressed in a special machine. What happened when they compressed this machine? Come out cocoa liquor or cacao mass or cocoa mass, depending. So from this both, we have this compressed and becomes, the liquid becomes cacao butter. This, as you see, is light color, and this, the dark one, is cacao mass or cocoa liquor. And the chocolate comes from here. After that, you can take this and make another process to take cacao powder. So cacao powder comes from cocoa mass. And they define two, cacao powder or another way to process called alkaline. And when alkaline, cacao becomes black or dark brown. So all chocolate or real chocolate is cocoa mass, and the cocoa mass is 100% chocolate. It's good for heart, it's good for the process, and this is the base. When we added sugar and little cacao butter, it becomes dark chocolate. And when we added dark cacao mass or cocoa liquor with the sugar and milk powder, becomes milk chocolate. But white chocolate is not chocolate at all. It's a cacao butter with sugar, lecithin, and milk powder. So as you see, this cacao butter come when we press the cocoa beans or cocoa nibs after roasted, and we have these two solid. So the main item is cacao beans, then roasted, remove the husk, grinder or crushed, and becomes, this whole one becomes cocoa nibs. This is what we have to know about all type of chocolate. And next episode, we define each solution to do with this. We can use cocoa nibs to soak with milk, and it becomes chocolate mousse, very intense, and the aroma is so strong. Also, we can boil it as a tea and give you a very nice flavor of cacao, and also as a medicine. So cocoa nibs, when we pressed, have this cocoa liquor, and then we have cocoa butter. That's all you have to know about chocolate. Leave me a comment below if you need more specification about chocolate. Thank you so much.